K-State all honed a lot, so that committee.
Really, but Baylor?
Well, I'm impressed by the fact that they can score. They can light it up. I'm still not convinced from a defensive perspective that they are all that good. I think Kansas State scares me a little bit for them, even though it's going on the road and Baylor plays so good in Waco. But I still think that Bill Snyder and that offense, the way they play, keep away. They can run the ball, keep it away from them. I think they got a little bit of a hiccup waiting for them.
Yeah, no, not a whole lot of flash when it comes to that team with Bill Snyder, but plenty of substance, along with maybe some more sizzle.